is the Ventrac 4520. For those already familiar with Ventrac, there are no surprises here. This tractor is an absolute workhorse. But for those who don't have the same experience with Ventrac, here's what it's all about. At its core, the Ventrac is a compact tractor, but it has a hyper-specific focus on being low profile and commercial grade in everything it does. All of the basic jobs you're imagining when you think tractor space, this machine does those. But then all the difficult jobs that some of that basic equipment can't do is where it really shines. And that is why people love this machine so much. This is a tractor that blends finesse and brute force in the best possible way. Most of the iconic reputation of the Ventrac comes down to the fact that it has a very different chassis than standard machines. Your typical compact tractor will have front wheels that steer and the rest of the frame will be rigid. The Ventrac, however, employs a flex frame design. That design articulates and oscillates in the very center of the tractor, and that allows the machine to have some very unique characteristics. The flex frame allows the machine to be very low profile, but also retain its commercial grade construction. The low profile nature of it helps protect the turf and make sure that all the areas you're working in don't get destroyed, but then it also has the ability to hold up to everyday commercial use. Mowing on steep hills is something that most machines don't even attempt. But because of the chassis of the Ventrac, the fact that we can add dual wheels, and all of the different mowing decks that we offer, this is the perfect machine for that application. Operators who use Ventrac to mow slopes absolutely marvel at its capabilities and don't want to use any other machines. The second extreme application is using Ventrac in snow removal. So you're going from warm season all the way to the harshest winter environments. This machine also has a cab available where you can get the operator inside, in the heat, away from the elements, and all of the commercial duty attachments to deal with everything from light snows all the way to the biggest blizzards. The key advantage here with both of those applications is that this is a machine that allows the operator to get all of that work done while still remaining comfortable on the machine. The final observation about what makes this tractor so desirable is the entire system around it. Outside of those two extreme applications, we do everything in between. We have a massive fleet of over 30 different commercial attachments for basically any job you can imagine in all 4 seasons. And of course, this tractor and all of those commercial attachments are built by us right here in Ohio. This means that as a Ventrac owner, you can expect the absolute best possible performance no matter what commercial application you're working in. This is obviously just scratching the surface of all that this machine is capable of. It's hard to overstate how important this machine has been to so many people. It has literally changed the way people do business. It has changed the way they work in a day. It's been a catalyst for changing how people think about what's possible to do with equipment. This Ventrac machine has earned its reputation as a legendary tractor for the jobs that it gets done and the possibilities that it opens up. The only thing left to do is to get yourself in the seat of this machine and experience all of the potential that is the Ventrac 4520.